It is our pleasure to welcome you all here. Our approachable team is ready to serve you and guide you to our available units, so you can choose the best units that suits your needs. This is our assemble area, responsible for assembling the parts of the trucks coming from the cargo container. This is the conversion area. They're done converting from the right manubela to left side. This is the bodybuilding area, and they are fabricating the cargo box with 3 mm steel plate to have a high quality cargo. This is our painting area. They're responsible for furnishing and painting all the parts of our trucks. This is our mechanical area. And Kuya is, what are you doing ya?
Okay, karon nag-check ko sa radiator water. Then change engine oil. Para mabago atong oil o transmission oil level. And differential oil level.
So this part is our stock area. This is our aircon area, and now he's preparing for installing the aircon. This is our electrical area. He's checking the car stereo and checking all the wirings for final check. This is the finishing area. They installed N50 battery or N70 battery and checking all the parts of the units for final checklist.